Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Redshift Spectrum for external data querying, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Redshift service page. Select the cluster you wish to modify. Click on the Clusters option in the navigation pane. Once on the Cluster Details page, look for the Cluster tab. Scroll down to the Database section to find your database. Make note of your database name for future reference. Next, navigate to the Amazon S3 service page. Create a new S3 bucket if you don't already have one. Choose a unique name for your bucket and select a region. Upload your external data files to the newly created bucket. Return to the AWS Management Console and open the IAM service. Create a new IAM role for Redshift with S3 access. Assign the necessary permissions to allow Redshift to read data from your S3 bucket. Attach this IAM role to your Amazon Redshift cluster. Go back to the Amazon Redshift console. Open the query editor or your preferred SQL client. Connect to your Redshift cluster using your database credentials. Now, create an external schema in your database. Use the following SQL command to create the external schema. Specify the IAM role you attach to your cluster and the data catalog. Execute the command to create the external schema. Next, define an external table that maps to your external data files. Use the Create External Table command. Specify the correct column data types that match your data files. Provide the S3 location where your data files are stored. After successfully defining the table, run a select query to test it. Ensure that you retrieve data from your external table without errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.